Wanna know how to add or remove or toggle on or off bookmarks in NetBeans? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your NetBeans application. And now once you have done that, here you should be under this page right here, and make sure you have your projects opened up. So once you've opened up your projects, here you can just simply select these projects right here, any one of these, and open it up. And once you've run that, here you should be seeing bookmarks right here on top. So right here it should be right beside shifting lane left and right. So right here you can see bookmark logo, so just simply select it, and on your line code right here you can see your bookmark icon appear. So you can just simply select it again to remove bookmark, and that's it. You can do it multiple times with different lines and so on. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.